Ya Sai, it gives me enormous pleasure and joy as I declare our Akhand Sai Naam Jap open. Yes, a jap for 9 days and 9 nights continuously without a break. A jap that is probably happening after over 100 years after Baba took his samadhi. A jap which begins on the auspicious day of the first Navratra on 7th of October 2021 and culminates on the last day, which is Vijay Dashmi, Baba's Samadhi Divas, 15th of October 2021. In my life, I think with Baba's grace, I have done a lot of good work. Whatever He guides me, I do it. My life is a dedication in Baba's feet, and I walk the path to spread happiness and love. I always thought what I have attained till now is incomparable to any other blessing. But really, this Akhanda Naam Jap has come as a really, really big blessing, which truly is incomparable now. Whatever I have done till today was beautiful, but nothing compares to what Baba is making us do this time. I can't even put into words how my heart feels at this time. I have shed so many tears of mixed emotions, joy, ecstasy, gratitude in Baba's feet for giving us this opportunity of doing the Akhanda Sai Naam Jap. Every time I used to read the Satcharita and read how Radhakrishna I would have the Akhanda Naam Jap going on for 7 days. We called it the Akhanda Naam Saptaha, when it would be the chanting of Baba's name in Shirdi, 7 days and 7 nights. I had never ever envisaged that Baba will bless me with this opportunity to be able to do this again. And I should not say me, I should say the Saibisa family, because really I haven't done anything. It is every one of you together who has made this possible. Akhanda Naam Jap of Baba's name, Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram, being chanted for 9 days, 9 nights, with all our love, all our bhav, all our surrender in our Baba's feet, is going to change the face of the earth. When a small jap that we do, a little mala that we do has so much of energy, please let us imagine what will happen when thousands of us across the world come together to take his name. To be honest with you, when we started, I thought we will just do one round of Baba's Nama, which means 7 days and 7 nights, and we will just chant once and be done with it. But Baba, dear Baba, had very different plans, which I had no idea about. Baba was planning something so grand that I had not anticipated it at all. When we asked for participation in the Naam Jap, we were overwhelmed with the response. It was totally unexpected. I was not sure people will take out that time, sit and chant. I really wasn't sure. And when this happened, it left me amazed because in 1 hour, the first round had been completed, and by the evening, we had multiple rounds, and then every day it kept increasing. We were not ready for it, we were not planned for it, we were not prepared for it. But when Baba has to get something done, he gets it done. As says the Satcharita, that if there is a spiritual function in somebody's house, Baba makes sure it happens completely and beautifully. And what bigger than having a spiritual function all across the world, celebration of his name, it had to be beautiful. So all the teams have worked with me day and night to make this possible. My children, as you watch this video, I need you to know that this mother's heart is so proud of you and so grateful to Baba that he gave all of you to me. For all of you who have not slept for nights after nights after nights. For all of you who have splashed their faces to stay awake and keep working. For all of you who have told me, Ma, please wake me up because I don't think I'll be able to get up myself after a short 1 or 2 hour nap. For all those of you who have churned out creative work day after day, who have worked day and night to make this possible. This is my offering of love to you, my children. Akhand Sai Naam Jap is going to be a huge blessing of your life, because we together, the Saibisa family, are writing history. We are creating history. We are doing something that nobody has done in so many years, at least not to my knowledge. 9 days and 9 nights of thousands of people across the world chanting Baba's name. I have not heard this happen ever before. So for me, I think this is Baba's greatest blessing, that we are a part of this journey, that we have made it possible together. Those sleepless nights, the stress, the anxiety to see all that data coming in and not doing what to do, the effort of calling one person back to help them, all that you have all done with me is just sheer magic for me. And I think when we look back now, the blessings that accrue from what we have done are far larger than the effort we put in. So, first of all, my gratitude to all of you and all those who are joining the Nam Jap, who are part of the groups. I think this is the biggest step we are taking together towards Sai consciousness. It was my dream that the whole world should chant my Baba's name. It was my dream that through the chanting of his name, the reading of his Satcharita, the doing of good deeds, of spreading love, of spreading happiness, we will make this world not only a happier place, but we will bring forth Sai consciousness so powerfully inside each of us, so alive, so much presence of Baba as we have never felt before. And I think this Akhand Nam Jap is the hugest, biggest step we could have taken towards it. Every time I sit in meditation in front of Baba, I get a feeling that this is not just a Nam Jap. This is something that is going to change the face of the earth. This is something that is going to change the vibration of Mother Earth, not only of our lives. Because when so many people across the world chant, the world becomes Shirdi. When few people in Shirdi used to chant, that was our Shirdi, Baba's Shirdi. Today, when across the world so many of us sit and take his Nama, obviously this entire world is going to become Shirdi. And like I was saying, every time I close my eyes in meditation before Baba, I feel that the Kali Yuga is now going to become the Sai Yuga. It's going to be Baba's age and time. When I was much younger, I used to hear people say that there will be a time when Sai Baba's name will be taken in every house across the world, that there will be Baba's temples in every nook and corner of the world. At that time, it was not like that. I used to wonder, is it possible? Can this really happen? But it is really happening every day, and we are witnessing it. It is our blessing that we are seeing this happen. We are seeing Baba's name spreading, his love spreading, his grace reaching millions of lives, healing people's worlds, making their lives better, holding them through difficult times. He's all around us all the time. And when we chant like this together, it is going to be a new dawn, the dawn of our Sai Yuga, the dawn of the times of Sai consciousness, when Baba is so alive inside us that we can only do good, we can only experience good. Even when pain comes, suffering comes, we are still in a state of peace and bliss because we are so full of Baba. That is where we have to reach. And I think that is where we have reached actually, because very soon, just in a few hours from now, as the clock ticks 12 midnight, 7th of October, so many people from across the world will together start saying Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram. I'm so sorry. I don't mean to choke, but I am really happy. I am really happy today to feel that energy, that love inside me is Baba's greatest blessing. I don't know how I will feel tomorrow night. I'm recording this one day prior. I don't know how I will feel at 12 tomorrow, because I don't know how I will contain that blessing inside me which Baba is giving to us. I genuinely do not know. Sometimes I feel my soul will, like split out through my body because of that joy that I experience. My request to all of you is, I know a lot of you are joining us in our groups, Akhanda Nam Jap groups, where you will be chanting along with us, where you have booked slots and you will be chanting at your time. But my request to everyone outside who's listening to this video, who's watching me now, is please join us from wherever you are. There is no limitation on chanting Baba's name. the more, the better, the more powerful the energy, the more our blessings. As history gets created, as thousands of people across the world chant together, I um, would like to welcome you and invite you to chant along with us. I know many of you wanted to join but did not know how to register, or um, have not got a slot. That does not matter. It is Baba's time. These 9 days and 9 nights, continuous chanting is happening. So wherever you join, you become a part of Baba's Akhanda Naam Jap. It does not matter day or night, city or country. Nothing matters. Wherever you are, join us. We are chanting in slots of half an hour, which means we start at 12, then 12 to 12:30, 12:30 to 1, 1 to 1:30. Goes on like that. You can also join any time, day or night, in your house, light a lamp and start chanting Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram. The jap we are doing is Sai Ram. You can join us in that. Chant from your houses, chant with love, and be a part of this grand celebration of Baba's life, of Baba's grace, of Baba's blessings. And yes, we are mentioning a number at the end of this video. Whatever job you do, you can update it to us on that number. What will happen is, when we offer this Mahayagna in Baba's feet, we will add your job to that also. So whether you calculate in malas, you can always write to us and say, I chanted 100 malas or 50 malas of Sai Ram. If you're closing your eyes and chanting without a mala, you can just tell us the time you chanted, that you chanted half hour or 1 hour or 2 hours in a day. Whatever amount of time you've chanted, you can mention that in the message. We will do the calculation. The team will do that also. So join us, because this, um, I don't know when we will do it again. I don't know what Baba's plan is for us, what he's thinking. But for now, I think this is the biggest blessing that we can all receive from him. As I look at him sitting here next to me, I feel more and more blessed and more overwhelmed at what we are going to get. All the teams, my children who are working with me, they're all in tears. Today, I have had so many people crying on calls with me, so many people writing to me that they can't understand what has happened in their life, because when we started working some days back, we really did not know where Baba is going to be taking us. And today, when we sit back and see multiple rounds of Baba's name being chanted non-stop, it fills us with joy, it fills us with gratitude. Be a part of this journey, celebrate with us, and chant Baba's name, because let us together usher in the Sai Yoga, in which there is only happiness, only peace, and we are blessed with enormous amounts of strength to go through whatever challenge comes. Um, Close your eyes and join me when you do this. Feel that energy which is being created across the world. I'm sure you will all experience it in your houses. When you close your eyes and say Sai Ram, you're not going to be alone. You're going to have so many people other than you who are taking Baba's name at the same time along with you. Feel that energy, soak in that energy, and soak in the blessings that Baba is going to be giving you for the taking of his name. Um, Tomorrow night, which means 7th October night, 12 o'clock, the jap is going to begin. I think that beginning moment is going to be very auspicious. So I invite all of you who are watching me to stay up tomorrow for Baba. And at 11:55, 5 minutes before it turns 12, let us all start Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram, and continue chanting for some time to usher in that 12 o'clock with Baba's blessings and with our love. So, on that note, sending out love and blessings from my heart, and very happy to be a part of this enormous blessing of Baba that He has sent our way. Feeling humbled, feeling grateful, and feeling full of Baba's love. So full of Baba's love. I welcome you once again to this beautiful, cosmic Akhanda Naam Jap. Ya Sai.
Sai Ram, Sai Shyam.